Welcome, in front of me I have WIKO View 3 and today I'll show you a couple camera tricks that you can use when you have this smartphone. So let's open the camera, and at the first we are going to focus on the settings that we have here and the features that we can change. So at the first we can add watermark to our photos when you tap right here and then click on the shutter in the photo mode. And when you take a look on the right bottom corner, here we got mark photo, that this photo was taken on the WIKO smartphone. When you go back for the settings, we got self timer. For example, you can set it up at 2 seconds and take a look. When you activate this option and press shutter button after 2 seconds, the photo will be taken. We can also set 5 or 10 seconds. When we are in the photo mode, we can quickly adjust temperature and the colors on the photos by choosing one of the following filter. As you can see, it looks like that. So there is my hand, and take a look how it changed. As you can see, there we got different colors and temperature on the photo. Okay, and we can also go for the video mode. When we are in the video mode, we can also quickly change the resolution of our video. So if you want to save some space on your smartphone, you can go for the 720, and of course it's HD, but take a look, when you switch to the HD, we'll get the notification that the stabilizer has been opened. So when you switch, we'll activate stabilization on the videos. Here we got also a couple of the other things like panorama, the blur photo, or the stickers, the AI beauty. So we can change the skin effect. You can also go for the wide lens in this mode. And when you go for the right upper corner, you can also find other modes like professional, night, time lapse, or slow motion, but there's normal mode that probably everybody know that. So basically that's all. There is not a lot of things that we can make here, but I hope that this couple of tricks will help you. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.